So I am gonna do the slime giveaway now. So featuring Crystal, Vanessa, get over here, and Vanessa. So how to do this? Crystal, you stand over here. They can see my hands. Okay, and Vanessa, you stand over here. So I'm gonna blindfold myself. I have all of the names here, which is Vanessa holding.
On scientist one is
Flown,
which is crunchy, and then
Fluffy,
and then
really stretchy. So what should we?
oh, I need to win this that one, but crunchy.
Okay, yeah.
No, we're just kidding.
It's gonna be fourth place, okay? Okay, let's begin. Okay, ready?
Go.
First place. Take a seat. Is Crystal. Crystal, you get to choose what slime you want, so go ahead and choose. Are you sure you want the stretchy slime? You want the fluffy slime. So she chose the fluffy slime. Okay, now, hold on. So now it would be time for second place. Okay. Second place is Vanessa. Okay, so Vanessa, you
Stretchy one.
You want the stretchy one? The third place, the finalists and them all. Stop bragging it. The winner is. Where's the plate? Okay. You want to drop something? Jason!
The boy you like? I'm just kidding.
Bruh, no. So you want the floam, which is the last one. So you.
No, the last one was the.
Here it is.
No.
It's the floam.
Yeah, it's that. This is the flow.
You want that one?
Yeah, what?
That is not the one. You want this one. You need to make sure. You need to make sure to contact me in less than 24 hours. Okay. So that is
Crystal.
what? So that is the end for the slime giveaway. So I'm so sorry if you guys did not win. I might make a second one when I get 40 or 50 subscribers. Okay. Stop it, Vanessa. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys later.